Nobel laureate George Bernard Shaw has very rightly observed that progress is impossible without change, and those who cannot change their minds always lag behind. So, our universe always remains in a transforming phenomena, and change is the biggest motivator of progress. This principle is applicable on our reading habits also. Attaining knowledge, getting informed, and keeping well equipped is no more dependent upon the old styled help tools like newspapers and printed material. Fortunately, we dwell in electronic and digital booming era, and in my opinion, today there is hardly any need of newspapers at all. If we think magnanimously, we find television, internet, mobile phone apps, computers, and so on and so forth friendly modern age gadgets around us, always ready to serve our purposes, and real wisdom calls for replacement of newspapers. With a comparative glance, we find newspapers a little burdensome, whereas we can carry a whole newspaper, journal, or even a voluminous book of encyclopedia in a small tablet, laptop, or a smartphone without any worry or concern of disposal of old papers. Internet provides us fastest access of latest news and proper information just with the help of a click. Electronic gadgets makes us keeps us informed with audio visual mode to prove more interesting and adaptable. I know it is not easy to switch over from old school to new one, but once we move a step forward, we will taste its utility value. And mind it, friends, the time is not far away when there will be enjoyable paperless systems with only electronic warriors at our service. Therefore, it is better the earlier we enter the new mode. For all practical purposes, the news is the prime necessity, not the traditional old medium. So I agree again that change is not made without initial inconvenience, even from worse to better. So let the newspapers move out of the scenario and let us to change and rejuvenate. Otherwise, we'll have to harden ourselves in order to stay with the old school habits. That's all for today, guys. Thank you.